This is the prawn, snail. If you eat snail, so this is it. Onion, and this is a few seconds. So the oil doesn't need to be cooked.
No, it doesn't need to fry. Yes.
That's it.
So we yeah, more than 4 different foods.
Inside now. Just want everything to cook a little bit more. So the stockfish is going in.
Go ahead and rock your eyes, cause we're celebrating no more drama in our life. With the 3-track pump and everybody's jumping.
That's the potash.